Next question number 7. A merchant had 78,592 rupees with her. She placed an order for purchasing 40 radio sets at 1,000 rupees each. How much money will remain with her after the purchase? Here a merchant had 78,592 rupees in her hand. He ordered to purchase 40 radio set. Then one set how many rupees? 1,200 rupees. So after the purchasing this 40 radio sets, how many rupees money remains with her hand? How to find out? First we find out cost of 40 radio set. So we know cost of one radio set. Question number 7. Cost of one radio set is equal to rupees 1,200. Then now find out what is the cost of 40 radio set. The cost of one radio set multiplied by number of 40. Then cost of 40 radio sets is equal to how many rupees? How to find out? Cost of one radio set 1,200. This number multiplied by number of how many number of radio sets here? 40. So this number multiplied by 40. Then look, 12 fours are which number? 4 twos are 8, 4 ones are 4, 48. 12 fours are 48. And how many zero balance here? 1, 2, 3. Then we put 3 0. Then what is the cost? Is equal to, look, 48,000 rupees. Then next, what is the question? How many rupees with her hand? Total money? With her hand. Total money with her hand. How many rupees with her hand? 78,592. Then balance money remain with her after the purchase. Money remain with her after the purchase is equal to, how to find out? Here total money minus 48,000 means this 48,000 rupees subtracted from 78,592. Then 78,592 minus 48,000 is equal to, look, 92 29503. Then how much rupees remains with her hand? How much rupees balance remains left with her? Look, 30,592 rupees left with her. Then next look, question number 8. A student multiply 7,236 by 65 instead of multiplying by 56. By how much was his answer greater than the correct answer? So here look, a student multiply two numbers. Which numbers here? 7,236 by 65. At the instead of 65, which number actual multiply by which number? 56. But that place he multiply by which number? 65. Then what is the question? Look, by how much was his answer greater than the correct answer? Correct multiplication, which number? 7236 multiply 56. At the place of 56 means he write 65. So we first, what is the hint is given here? Do you need to do both the multiplication, both the multiplications? Then first question number 8. First we find out the product of 7236 multiply and which number? 65. The product of 7236 and 65. So we multiply 7236 multiply 65. Multiply 0, 15 plus 3, 18, carry 1, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1, 11 and carry 1, 5 7s are 35, 35 plus 1, 36. Then next multiply by 6, 6 6 are 36, carry 3, 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 3, 21, write 21, carry 2, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 2, 40, carry 1, 6 7s are 42, 42 plus 1, 43. Then add the numbers. 0, 8 minus 6, 2, 1 minus 1, sorry, 0, 8 plus 6, 14, carry 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 6 plus 4, 10, write 0, carry 1, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, then 4. Which number is this? 4,70,340. This which multiplication is correct? Not correct. This is wrong answer. So you can write bracket, you can write wrong answer. And actual correct answer, the product of which number? Product of multiply by 7236 multiply by which number? 56 and 56. Then multiply 7236 multiply 56. 36 carry 18, 18 plus 3, 21, carry 2, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 2, 14, carry 1, 6 7s are 42, 42 plus 1, 43. Then 5 6 are 30, carry 3, 6 3s are 15, 15 plus 3, 80, carry 1, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1, 11, then carry 1, 5 7s are 35, 35 plus 1, 36. Then add the number 6, 1, 2, 5, then 0, 4. This is which answer? What is here answer? 4,05,260. This is the correct answer. Correct answer. Then what is the difference between this correct answer and Wrong answer. What is the question here? Look. Then by how much was his answer greater than the correct answer? How much was the answer greater than the correct answer? So we can write the required difference. Required difference of required difference of this answers. Correct answer and wrong answer. Here which is the wrong answer? Here look difference. Right. This 4,70,340 is the biggest number. So minus subtract this number 4,05,260 is equal to which number? First we can subtract here 4,70,340 minus 4,05,260. Look, subtract these numbers. 4. Then we take 1 from 4. Then 10. 10 minus 6, 4. Here balance which number? 3. 3 minus 1, 2. Here 3 minus 2, 1. Here also look. 0 is not, 5 is not subtracted from 0, so we take 1 from 7. So 10 minus 5, 5. Here balance which number is 6. That 6 minus 0, 6 and 4 minus 4, 0. So what is his answer here? 65,124. Then next one more question. Look, question number 9. Look, to stitch a shirt 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed. Out of 40 meter cloth, how many shirt can be stitched and how much cloth will remains? Here one cloth required for one shirt, how many? 2 meter 50. And total how many meter cloth? Total 40 meter cloth. Then out of this 40 meter cloth, how many shirt will be stitched? And last, how much cloth will remains? How to find out this? Here cloth, first statement. Question number 9. Cloth required for one shirt. One shirt, how many cloths required? 2 meter and 50 centimeter. And total how many length of cloth? Here total length of cloth is equal to 40 meter. Then out of this 40 meter cloth, how many shirt we can stitch it? How to find out this 40 total length of the cloth divided by, look, cloth required for one shirt means 40 meter divided by 2 meter 50 centimeter. Look, this meter here, meter and centimeter unit, and here only meter. Look, this is different unit. Then for multiplication, this different unit first we convert into same unit. Look, 2 meter 50 centimeter we can convert to meter or centimeter, and the same as this 40 meter we can convert to also centimeter. Look here, how to convert this 2 meter 50 centimeter convert into centimeter. Look here, 2 meter means how many centimeter? We know 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? 100 centimeter. So 2 meter is equal to 2 multiply 100. 2 multiply 100 which number? 2 multiply 100 plus, then this we can write, this is centimeter, plus which 50 centimeter. So answer 200 plus 50 is equal to total 250 centimeter. And the same as, then this we convert into centimeter. Then therefore 40 meter also we can convert into centimeter. So 40 multiply which number here? We multiply by 100 because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So this is how many centimeter? 40,000 centimeter. Then what is the question? Number of shirt. Look, out of 40 meter cloth, how many shirt can be stitched? Then number of shirts can be stitched out of 40 meter is equal to, we can write this 4,000 divided by 250. Then look, 4,000 divided by 250. Then how many 250 in 4,000? First, we know 4 is a small, so 215 is not 4. Then next take next digit. So 40. 40 is also less than 250. Then next digits. Then 400. How many times 215 in 400? Can write one time. Look, 1 5 are 5, 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2. Then subtract 5. Look, 8. Then next 1. Then next one, next digits is 0. So 0 also you write with this number. So we get 1850. In 1850 how many times? About 8 times. Look, 8 5s are 40, carry 4. Then 8 1s are 88 plus 4 12, carry 1. 8 2s are 60 plus 1 70. Then subtract 0, 5 minus 2 3, 8 minus 7 1 and 0. Here how many centimeter remains here? 130 centimeter remains. How many shirt? 80 shirt can be stitched out of 40 meter cloth. Then is equal to, we can write 18 shirts. And cloth left. Cloth. How many meter cloth left? Cloth left is equal to 130 centimeter cloth. Remainder here 130 centimeter cloth left. This we can write in centimeter and centimeter is equal to, we can write how many meter is this? 1 meter and 30 centimeter cloth left. Is it clear? Then balance all question you find out its answer yourself and write your fair copy also. Is it clear? Then okay, thank you.